Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable Windows Spotlight features on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. So basically it gives you new images regularly. It gives you different Spotlight images through a series of images guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. Click on open. On left side you need to select personalization. On right side go to lock screen. In here you need to select personalize your lock screen. Change this to Windows Spotlight. So we now we are changed to Windows Spotlight. The lock screen background that displays different images guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.